random quick video printing ABS, which literally I've had so much trouble with for so many years. Mainly it cracks right here. Ah, right there, the corners, always a crack. But with the Prusa, it does awesome. I've been printing stuff like this or kind of square bins with just square corners and it hasn't cracked. I mean, it's done really amazing. Also, you can totally see those little zits. That's from filament not being dry. I'll maybe show using the dehydrator. Literally just took a dehydrator, taped a piece of cardboard to it, put the filament on top, leave it for about hour and a half. Dries it out perfectly fine, prints perfect with no little spots, but I really don't care what I'm making. Doesn't matter at all.